Okay guys, so Paul Bates here, and today I want to talk about upholstery because we just got through doing a bunch of upholstery to our boat. So I just want to go real quick and tell you guys what company we used for Southern Estate here. So you've got two major options right here. You got Sailrite, which is a good company. I've bought plenty of products from them over the years. I've owned over 20 RVs and 10 different boats, and we've used these guys a lot over the years. Santa Barbara Upholstery is another one. They have a supply house in Glendale, Arizona, along Las Vegas also. And I've been to both of those warehouses. Sailrite is one that you just call on the phone and you get your upholstery delivered to you. Santa Barbara Upholstery is typically a little bit cheaper. They'll usually be about $5 a yard cheaper. So, with that being said, now also another little trick that I've learned, I've ordered some of these snap-on kits from Amazon before, and they just don't work. They just don't have the quality that you need. They just don't. I've ordered it like a couple times. It's very frustrating, and you really can't. You either need to go to a full-blown upholstery place, and either one of these places will have it, Santa Barbara or Sailrite. Santa Barbara, again, is a little bit cheaper. Sailrite's more expensive. Also, before I stop this video real quick, I want to talk about the machines, because we have a console right now. We have this machine right here, which is a console, and to tell you the truth, it does okay, but if I had my choices, I would never buy this machine again. It was a mistake. If I had to do it all over again, this is the machine I would buy. It's a little bit more money. The console is there's $600, $650, somewhere around there. And this machine right here is about $1,200, but there's no comparison to the machine. You want a nice machine to do your own work and make the wife happy? This is the machine right here. And if we ever upgrade, or if I ever found one of these used, this is the machine I would go for right here. Anyway, it's just a quick little boating tip. Thanks so much for watching. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you share with your friends, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Anyway, and if you have any questions at all about any of the projects that we do, please leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. Bev loves to sew, and she will answer your questions.